Number 11. Place the following data in a stem and leaf plot. Okay, so what we need to do in a stem and leaf plot is just first decide on a good breaking point for the data for the stem and the leaf. So if we use the hundreds place, the first value that exists in each of the numbers here, I don't think that's going to work well because everything is to the 100s. So everything would be in, one stem, and all the data points would be listed. I don't think that works well. We could use the tens place, which means that would give us 13, 12, 11, 11, and so forth. I think that would work a lot better. So let me set this up. So stem leaves. Okay, so my stems would be, like say for instance, starting with 11, because the smallest value here is the 114, I believe. So the stem would be 11 there. We would need 12, 13, and I don't see anything in the 140s, so I don't think we need anything higher than that. So we can start putting in the leaves. Okay, so my first data point's 137. So it would have a stem of 13, but then a leaf of 7. So I'll just start 7 right there. Okay, then the next data point here, 129, is going to have a stem of 12, but then a leaf of 9. Okay, and then 116 is going to have a stem of 11, but a leaf of 6. All right, and I'm going to straighten these up just a little bit. Okay, that's about the best I can do. So then when I go to the next data item of 114, then I need to put it along with the 6. So I'll just do the 6, then the 4. Then 130, I'll put it down here because it has a stem of 13, but now a leaf of 0. 121, stem of 12, leaf of 1. 124, stem of 12, leaf of 4. 135, stem of 13, leaf of 5. 139, 132, and then finally 117. There we go. All right, there's the stem and leaf plot. The only other thing that we need to make sure we include is a key. So we just kind of come off to the side and say 11 with a bar and then 6 equals 116. And that way the reader knows that, because we're not going to give them the actual data set, we're just going to give them this plot. But the reader knows that given the 11 with the bar and 6 means 116 rather than like 11.6 for instance. So that's it. Now, one other thing I want to say about the stem and leaf plot is you can go through and rearrange the order of the numbers in each individual category, and basically what that would do is sort the data nicely, and you can do that. It's not a necessary thing to do, but certainly it's simple enough to once you have just only 3 or 4 numbers in each smaller data set, it's a little easier to go through and reorder those than reordering the whole list. So it's completely optional. So then if I put the 2 right there, there. Now it's in order. But like I said, it's completely